course. Always.
Oh man, I'm like dazed and confused.
Yes, very dazed and
for a minute.
confused.
Beautiful.
To the right.
Yo, I've never seen water like this.
You said to the right. Welcome to Colombia.
There, the bathroom is on the back, on the black door inside. On the white container over there, there is water. If you want to rent Jetski, I can help you with that, okay? I'm gonna get your locker and change.
It's kind of so small.
In about 5 minutes or 10 minutes, okay?
There's kittens in there. There's upstairs. We're in some like little hostel fort right now.
It is.
It's all made of wood, which, you know, wood always creeps me out, but it's still pretty cool. There's a hammock. We got this on TripAdvisor. It's pretty cool. And what did we pay? $30? I think we paid $30 for this. Pick us up from our hotel, lunch included. We're here at this hostel thingy on the beach. This is like the really nice beach here in Cartagena. It's okay if you don't see me that well, but you gotta see the background. Woo! We out hey, we out che on the beach. Last night, Christina, last night was fun, right?
Last night was fun.
We went to a hostel party at this place called Media Luna. I found it on Google. You know, one of them travel blog type deals. So what'd you think of the parties though? Music and all that shit.
The music was good. I just felt like the people, like the locals wanted to talk to you, but the other travelers, like the people that were staying in the
nobody
hostels,
spoke
they were
to us,
kinda,
which I was
know.
a little bit surprised about.
Yeah.
Well, actually, no. We met some Argentinian girls,
like the only
and they
people that
were
wanted to talk.
really excited. They were like, "You are from New York. You are from U.S. Oh, it's so amazing."
Yeah.
And we were like, "Wow, you're from Argentina. That's so amazing." So that was cool, and they told us a lot of different things that we need to go to Argentina, which definitely we would like to do that.
Yeah, I know when she said Buenos Aires, I'm like,
Yeah, it was pretty cool. Oh, gracias. Okay, so we're just like standing here and it's like endless people trying to sell us shit, getting mad mean mugs. I wish you could have just seen the mean mug we just got just now.
And I don't understand why.
Every time I vlog, like people look like they want to kill me.
No gracias.
No gracias.
Yeah, that looks good though.
It does look good.
Yeah.
I got some fruit that I never seen before in there too.
I know.
Yes, but for some reason, when people see me vlogging, they want to kill me. No ahora. It's because we about to go sit back there.
Yeah.
Like, I'm not even joking.
No, I'm not joking either. No, thank you.
Oh, gracias.
Let's just sit at the table because I'm just so annoyed.
Yeah, every time we try and do something for some minutes, someone's coming asking. This is my biggest thing about the Colombia. If you don't want to buy something, they be looking like they want to punch you, like for real. So yeah, in Colombia, they hate vloggers.
And it's when you bring your camera out.
It's not even a camera though, it's my phone.
Yeah.
Like everybody has a phone and we're like looking at the phone and talking.
Maybe they're thinking, look at her.
Like,
Who she thinks she is.
I don't know, it's kind of makes me sad. It's just like I am having fun, but I feel like just the vibe of some people is just like not very like welcoming, which is just kind of sucks. But they don't ask anybody else to buy shit. This is what I don't
nobody
understand.
else.
It's just us. Shit is strong as fuck. No, the guy, he's walking in and out, you know, so they don't want anything to happen to anybody.
Look at my head.
Are you serious, Christina? She's crazy. are 70,000 Colombian pesos, which is cheap as hell.
22 bucks.
Very cheap. And Barbados is like 60 US. So, and that for a whole half an hour. Friggin' exciting. Yo, this is a mistake having her drive. Oh my god, Christina. Alright, so we gotta stay straight so we don't fucking tip this thing over.
I'm getting on with you just somewhere. Alright, what island we going to? We ain't never come back.
Let's just go back to America. Like, oh shit, I really just don't want to tip it. Don't be scared. Remember, you have a life preserver on, so don't panic if we do tip over. I'm fucking scared as fuck. Oh god! Lord help me! Help! Help! Dude, she's crazy! Help! Oh, I want my mommy! Oh my god! Hold on, I gotta take a break. Now I'm driving.
Oh Lord.
We fell the hell off. Oh. Whoa, this is weird. Oh, I don't know what to do. It's hard. Oh, we have to lean back. I'm sorry. Oh shit! Woo! I'm such a fuck. Well, that was pretty awesome. My first time doing that, obviously, is a lot harder than it looks. But that was just very freeing. That was definitely an out of comfort zone moment because we were definitely scared out there. And I hope that I got on camera that we fell off. We shall see. I booked this trip because I wanted to go somewhere exotic. I wanted to go to a place that most of the people I know haven't been to. The sights of this city have been interesting, the food has been delicious, and the interactions with the people and culture has been jarring in the most fascinating way. Colombia hasn't been like what I expected, and that in itself has made it a great experience. It hasn't been a dream or fantasy vacation, and that makes me realize that every place is not going to be perfect, wonderful, and amazing. I had a few negative experiences, and that is all part of a world traveler's journey. My worldview is being expanded in ways I never expected, and I'm learning things that I didn't know. I come to South America with my own preconceived notions. I talked about it in my first Colombia vlog. Some have been right, some have been wrong. I know the first reaction to our culture shocks might be anger, but understand that everyone on this planet has a belief of what is the right way to live. Where you stand depends on where you sit. I could judge the Colombian people on the aggressive selling, and they could judge me for being a loud American, but I don't want to do that. I want to see and understand, listen and learn, even when it's really hard. Don't go to Barbados, they said. Crime is on the rise. Don't go to Mexico, they said. The cartels are killing tourists down there. Don't go to Colombia, they said. There's nothing but drugs there. Well, I say go to Colombia and everywhere else. Travel smart, travel light, and just be happy to be there.